Okay, today we're going to look at producing a blank, simple website. And the program we're going to be using today to do that is Microsoft Office Publisher. So what we're doing, we're going to go to Start, we're going to go to All Programs, and we're going to find Microsoft Office. Now I have 2007 installed on mine. As long as you find the Microsoft Office Publisher link here, you'll be fine. Looking for the greenish P. Okay, what we're going to do, you're going to look for a blank website, which will be down here somewhere. Mine is website, yours will say blank web. I think yours will say blank web page, in fact. Websites, I want a blank one. Create. Okay, yours will look the same now. Okay, I'm just going to close this menu. So I've got my blank page. Nice and simple. Okay. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a text box, because that text box is going to contain the navigation, the links that take us to all the different pages on our website. So to do that, I'm going to go to Insert Text Box. And I'm just going to click and drag and drop my text box in there. Okay, you can see my cursor's flashing there, ready to type in that text box. Now that text is just a little bit too small, so we're going to change that, make it a little bit larger. 14 points is fine. Okay, so every website has its home page, so we need a link to there. So we're going to go home, and then I'm going to use the tab, push the tab key twice, tab to move along, and then above the enter key, if you hold down shift, above the backslash, you've got the vertical bar. So to hold down shift and tap the key above enter on the keyboard. There's our vertical bar. Use the tab again. Use the tab button twice, and we'll just put our page, we'll just call it page 2 at the moment. I'm going to use the tab twice, tab along. Vertical bar, so shift and the key above enter. Tab, page 3. Oops. Page 3. Okay, now we can add, we've got space to add some more pages later. But that's our basic navigation bar completed. Okay, what we need to do now is we need to add some pages. And that's really simple. At the moment, you can see we have one page, it's called page 1. I'm going to insert a page, and you'll just select blank from here. And one more time, insert page and blank. That part's a little bit different for you as well. You'll need to click on blank page over on this right here. But as you can see now, we've got 3 pages, 2 with nothing, and page number 1 has got a bar. I'm just going to click on the line to highlight it, and I'm going to right click and copy. Go to page 2, right click and paste. Go to page 3, right click and paste, and I've got my 3 navigation bars there. Now, if you notice, if I click from page to page, that bar moves. You really want to have it in the same place. So page number 2, I'm just going to move that bar up approximately where it should be. A little bit further. You could use the rulers here to measure, but by clicking back and forward, you can get it in the right place easily enough. Maybe easily enough. That's in the right place. Page number 3 is still messy. Just to come just a little bit across to the left. There we go. Perfect. So now we have 1, 2, 3 identical pages. Okay. What I can do now is just go to my preview, and I can see how my page looks in the browser. There you go, you can see the page here. Obviously none of these links work yet. I'll just close the browser, my page is still here, don't worry. Okay, let's go back to our home page, and I'm going to put a link to page number 2 now. So this is the clever part. I'm going to click and drag with my mouse to highlight page 2. I'm going to go to right click and I'm going to go down to hyperlink. I'll do that again. Click, right click, hyperlink. I'm going to go to place in this document and double click on page number 2. And you can see that text has turned blue. That means that it is now a hyperlink. I'm then going to go and highlight page 3, right click, hyperlink, place in this document page number 3. And I need to do that for these other pages. And of course I need to hyperlink the home. Right click, hyperlink, home is the first page. Right click, hyperlink, second page. Right click, hyperlink, third page. And you could cheat, you could just copy this bar and paste it into the third one because the hyperlinks would still work. Just a bit of a shortcut. Page 1, highlight, right click, hyperlink, page 2. Right click, hyperlink, page 3. Okay. And what have I done there? Let's just, I hyperlinked some of the space. There we go. And we'll just hyperlink that anyway. So we've got a blue navigation there. Okay, we can look at our pages now. Preview, which is here, web page preview. Here comes our website. And page 2, page 3, of course they all look the same, and home. That's it. All you need to do now is save this in your account. File, save as, my computer, find your primary class, and your folder and save.